And the third place winner is Shani.
Hi everybody, my name is Shani and I am the third place winner of the Mother's Day cooking competition. I got $200 floor credit and I just want to say thank you to the whole team at the Life of a Jamaican Chef. Thank you to my voters and to all you guys who have not yet subscribed to the page. Please go on YouTube, type in Life of a Jamaican Chef, click on the subscribe button, click on the bell and just follow the thing.
What's good, Soulfly fam? You know it's your boy Henry back with another video. Video, as would I say, another day, another dollar out here. Today I do it. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Remember, tell a friend, tell a friend. We're out here. We are doing it.
Make the world it better. Stop crime and violence and just love each other. Each and every day make we just pray to the Father. I make we lift up the world, yeah. Take a look.
In with another video. As you would say, another day, another dollar. Yeah. So tiebreaker. So we just alright. Kids them a play anyways. Tiebreaker. So we are gonna write another video. Cause you know we are keep it real. We not go around nothing. We just keep the shit real. You see me, we are keep the thing real. It always mad and shit. Baba for coming tomorrow. Anyways, we're going to this video. In this video, tiebreaker. Remember we are telling us, yo, we get a tie. If you watch the video and know so we get a tie. So anyway, we are dropping on the video. We drop it back on Facebook for 24 hours. We drop it back on IG for 24 hours. So we have two somebody. Head and head, neck and neck, foot and foot, everything that goes. You see me? So them a battlefield.
Solve the problem and we'll drop back the two picture. Mother's Day picture we get time with do not do food and let's go food. Remember me I beg no food play.
Yeah, so as you can see now, we have the people them view the thing. So we have to give a shout out to that person. You see me? Check out our YouTube channel, people. Check it out. Video them lit over there. So color me woman, you can find her Facebook color me woman. YouTube color me woman. Check out our thing. As me say, I think lit. Check it on me. Check out our thing, people. Anyway, yeah. As we say, it's a tiebreaker thing, you see me? So we have 28 say yes already. 28 I say yes. You see me? People them go all out. People them vote for them best dish. Remember, comment down below and tell me which dish you know that pick. Comment down below. And please subscribe to the channel. Next one at 20. You see me? So I show you dish them again. You see me? So people them come out and people them vote for them best dish and thing. People could have voted anyways. Thing young, for, as we say, our first competition. So people can look forward for the competition like every month. You see me? So we have one of the dish, the first dish there. Presentation wise, people. What I say about the dish, presentation wise, we have a little pretty thing going on here. This is a fish. You see me? Me like the dish. You see me? We have some mad talent in Jamaica people. So as we say every Sunday, so we just are showing them people. We are showing them. You see me? People, yeah, I'm crazy. Yeah. Yeah, so presentation wise, what people that's about the dish, pick on a dish, which dish you not say. So as we say, neck and neck, head and head, foot and foot, every shit thing, you see me? So with Jamaican, we have some mad talent. People cook them Sunday dinner and people. So we are showed the world artists Sunday dinner them. You see me? And we have a video come up right around the corner. We have a challenge. Me I tell you say I want to see that one there, it go lit. You see me? Go back in the video. So go back right in the video. So that's a dish number one. So remember, you just vote down below, comment down below. Want food on a dish, rep on a dish, teamwork. Rep on a dish, people, rep on a dish. So we just are going to give some shout out right now, as you can see. Right there, so we are give some shout out. So probably I move too fast to the world anyway, so I'll go back. So we are give some shout out to some people, quick and fast. Just show one of them thing. And you can just go over, subscribe to them thing, you see me? Support them thing, because them thing lit. It's a first competition for the channel, so yeah, but feel like I want to do that one night time them, so you see me? So remember, check out them channel people, thing lit. Shout out, shout out. Yeah. So alright, so we have 28 points so far. 128. This number 128. This number 220. So we are go over IG and now if you say, oh, take it. Oh, take it, brother. You see me? Go over IG and now. I don't really hold up the people in time, so that 12 points. You know, count to that at 12 points. 12 points. 12 points, people. 12 points. Yeah. 12 points, people. Keeping it lit. Next one at 10 point, people. So, as you can say, comment down below. First competition. Check out the point.
And the second place winner is Khadija. And the moment of truth. The first place winner is Renisha. Yeah, people, until the next competition.